Hey guys, Owen here, back again with another review, and today we're having a look at the DC Universe Classics Wave 5 Metallo Wave. Today we're having a look at Black Lightning. He is with Katana and Metamorpho, as far as I know, in regards to teams. I don't remember what the name of the team is. I remember seeing him on Batman the Brave and the Bold, so yeah. Giving you a brief size comparison. The Mazo here is either about the same size, although I think this guy's technically a teenager. I don't know. That's what I thought he was. Having a closer look, he's got these pieces look like they're molded on, but then again it looks like you could take them out. But he's got the standard ball, and the head can't look up that much. It looked like Eradicator had the most movement out of all of them so far. He's got a pin and socket at the shoulder, swivel in the bicep, hinge in the elbow, swivel in the wrist. Crap. There we go. Stay. Sheesh. He's got an ab crunch, swivel in the waist. Very sort of loose, but it clicks into place there, sort of. Nice little lightning belt. Loose hip joints, but what are you gonna do? Better than tight ones, I think. Well, tight enough to break them off. He's got a forward and back, in and out. Thigh swivel, hinge at the knee, and hinge in the foot. Sure, these aren't gonna fall out. Sheesh. So overall, Black Lightning is probably one of the weaker figures. I'm still going to give him an 8 though, because he does look nice. For me, it's all about presentation, and he does look nice. So I will give him that. But he is not the strongest figure in the wave by any means. So that's all I gotta say for this one. Again, making these reviews relatively quick. It's just the standard DCUC buck with same old articulation and different paint apps, really. So not much to talk about. So that's it for this one, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a Mazo next and wrap it up with Metallo. Then move in to Wave 13. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. Till next time. I will catch you guys later.